Alright guys, today Benny and I have a very exciting video planned for you. It's my dog does my makeup. Well, he chooses my makeup for me, so if that's what you want to see, stay tuned. Nation, which one do you want? This one? This one, this one, or this one? Alright, you touched this one, so I'm gonna go with that. Pick one. Alright. So you chose the Maybelline. Hey, Benny boy, are you ready to pick concealer? Which concealer do you want? All right, you seem to like the toothpaste. Wait, why don't you pick eyeshadow primer? Which one do you want? All right, Too Faced it is. This one's gonna be a harder decision. Which eyeshadow? Oh, you really seem to like the Namaste one. Okay. Nope, Namaste. Any of these you like? And these. Okay, these are gonna be your top two. Out of these two, which one is it? Namaste. The only two things left for Benny to choose for are eyeliner and mascara, and I only have one of each of those, so they're gonna get chosen by default. But I will let him choose the lipstick in a little bit. So now I'm gonna go in with the primer that Mr. Benjamin chose. It is the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio. Primer and base. Now I'm gonna go in with the foundation he chose. It was another Maybelline product. It's the Matte and Poreless Foundation. I actually do really like this foundation. This is what I was using before I started using my Anastasia Beverly Hills one. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the concealer he chose, and I'm very happy to say he chose the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. I am absolutely obsessed with this stuff. You finally did something right, Benny. I think you could care less too. Now we're gonna get started on the eyes. I'm gonna use the Too Faced 24-hour Anti-Crease Insurance Shadow Primer. That is what Benny chose for me to use. Oh, this is bad. It's been a minute since I used it, so it came out a little questionable, but it should still work. It's gonna have to. Let's get started on the eye look using the Namaste Ulta Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go in with this middle pink color, and it's called Balance. I'm just gonna do it right in my crease here. To add a little bit of like nice like pink color. Then I'm gonna add this color Breathe. And then for the rest of the eye, I'm just gonna go in with this shimmery metallic color called Chakra. Now I'm just going to take my Morphe blending brush just to blend it out a little bit. Perfect. And I'm gonna go do that on my other eye real quick. All right, Benny, can you choose a lipstick for me? Choose a lippy. Oh, and looks like this is our winner, right? All right, and as you can see, I just had Benny choose a lip for me. Today I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Catnip. Ooh, I forgot how like nice and creamy that lipstick is. Dang. All right, let's see if I can give you guys a better look at how this turned out. Yeah, I would have never put together a look like this if it wasn't for Benny, so I have to give him a little bit of credit here. A little bit of credit. I opted for going lighter on the eyeliner today just because I did a nice soft simple pink look with the Namaste Ulta Beauty palette, and I really think this lip I like how this lip turned out. I don't know why I can't put a full sentence together, but I'm impressed with this lipstick. Like, I don't even know why I stopped wearing it. Probably because then I had the excuse to buy more lipstick, but I really love this color. I love the eyeshadow. I just love everything. I for sure thought he was gonna choose everything, like he's gonna choose my summer color, so it's gonna look like a freak, but he did a good job choosing. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. Hey Benny, is there anything you want to say? You want to help me pick out makeup again? Nope. You don't even care, do you? You don't even care. So yeah, this is definitely a look I will be wearing more often. It might even be like one of my new everyday looks that I wear. I don't know. You'll have to stay tuned to my channel to see. I just want to say thanks for watching my videos today, guys. Happy Vlogmas, happy Thursday, and don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.